The HFT scalping system for MT4 or the hedge of the scalping system is a short-term scalping strategy for the Forex markets. Contrary to the name, there is nothing to do with high-frequency trading. This is just another regular scalping strategy that makes use of the trend as the very core in its logic. There are multiple indicators that are used in this trading system, most of which are custom indicators. In total, the HFT scalping system makes use of 6 indicators. Most of these indicators are plotted on the price chart itself, and the remainder of the indicators are used mostly for providing additional information rather than helping you out with the trading strategy itself. As you can see from the charts attached, indicators such as the comments on the top left corner and the information on the top right corner and in the bottom left corner are merely there to serve the purpose of adding some additional information. The trading system is equipped with tools that allow an easy market view and precise trading. The main feature is the sequence of arrows to enter easily filterable with the band of moving averages and the trend line that must be concordant with the arrows or with when there is a double breakout and an inversion of the trend line trend and the band of moving averages. The Dragon 5-minute scalping strategy provides a currency of strength that indicates strong and weak currencies to hit strong currencies against weak currencies. HFT scalping strategy uses signals from multiple technical indicators to enter the market, such as trend trading, countertrend trading, and others. This increases the chances of sustained growth and reduces exposure to a single pair or individual operations. It catches very fast and profitable price movements and gives you easy buy/sell signals. The system very carefully verifies every trading signal to produce only the highest probability trades. You can set the Forex Dragon scalping system to send you a signal alert via email, mobile notification, or platform pop-ups. This is helpful as it means you do not need to stare at the charts all day waiting for signals to appear, and you can monitor multiple charts simultaneously. Forex HFT indicator system can be used on any Forex currency pair and other assets such as stocks, commodities, cryptos, precious metals, oil, gas, etc. You can also use it on any time frame that suits you best, from the 1 minute through to the 1 month charts. Trading rules for HFT scalping indicator before you open your favorite trading pairs and start trading. Please consider that this system works best on low spreads but volatiles currency pairs and indices as S&P 500, Dow and DAX. Time frame 5 min trading time 7 o'clock to 1800 hours up trades only in the direction of moving average band. Apply Dragon 5-minute scalping template on strong currencies against weak currencies. Buy if the price of the current candle is above the MA bands when the green arrow appears. Place a buy at candle close. Also check the concordance with the trend line. In the event of an inversion, there must be at the same time the green arrow, the price candle break the trend line, and the MA bands upward. Sell if the price of the current candle is below the MA bands when the pink arrow appears. Place a sell at candle close. Also check the concordance with the trend line. In the event of an inversion, there must be at the same time the red arrow, the price candle break the trend line, and the MA bands upward. HFT scalping system is trading with high frequency. This system is useful in any major currency pairs and very effective in a 15-minute time frame. This strategy has 2 ways to trade and the instructions are given below, but first, we need to identify the indicators. Take note that the former is for beginners and the latter is for the advanced. Features Forex scalping high frequency trading style trend momentum style. Scalping day trading use 15 minutes of time interval and trade on major currency pairs. Currency pairs any platform. MetaTrader 4 indicators HFT 2.1 flies DSS, DSS Bressert, 5.8, Bollinger Bands, 20, 2. MetaTrader indicators TZ pivots SDZ, all averages, countdown candle, HFT 2.1 flies DSS, MT4 evaluates power, DSS Bressert, 5.9. Trading rules by HFT bias market is an uptrend. Blue buy arrow must appear. DSS Bressert blue dot. Sell HFT bias market is downtrend up. Red sale arrow must appear. DSS Bressert red dot. Exit position initial stop loss should be put on previous swing. Second Forex scalping strategy based on the HFT indicator. Use 15 minutes of time interval and trade on major currency pairs. Exit position fast take profit or exit the opposite arrow. Starting place 15 pips above or below the previous swing. HFT Forex scalping strategy is a combination of MetaTrader 4, MT4, indicator, S, and model. The essence of this Forex strategy is to transform the accumulated historical data and trading signals. HFT Forex strategy scalping offers the opportunity to detect various peculiarities and patterns in price dynamics which are invisible to the naked eye. Based on this information, traders can take on further price movement and adjust this strategy accordingly. In pictures HFT Forex scalping high frequency trading examples of trades. HFT scalping system is trading with high frequency. This system is useful in any major currency pairs and very effective in a 15-minute time frame. This strategy has two ways to trade and instructions are stated below, but first, we have to identify the indicators. Take note that the first one is for beginners and the second one is for the advanced. MetaTrader indicators SDZ TZ pivots, all averages, candle count,